How are you today, all of you?
I'm fine.
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 Yes. What's special today? What is special about today? What?
Gymnastic.
Yes, today is Janmashtami. What you did today? Anything special for Janmashtami? Whose birthday today? Whose birthday? Yes, Lakshmi, loudly. Whose birthday today? Yes, Lord Krishna. Which religion celebrate this festival? This festival is celebrated by which religion? Who celebrates this festival? Which religion people? Which religion people? Yes, very good. Hindu. Hindu celebrate this festival. Yes. Okay. Now I am sharing the screen. We will start our day with the thought for the day. I am sharing the screen.
अपने में क्या बात है?
Okay. Now who will start today? Yes. Read today's date and day, and then you have thought for the day. Who will read? Shital, Rehan, read.
Today's date is 10th
Yes.
August 2020. Subject.
Today is
Today
Tuesday.
learn topic.
Hmm.
Learn topic and homework.
Yes.
Today's thought for the day. A little hard work each day leads to progress.
Yes, very good. So today's thought for the day, a little hard work each day leads to a progress. Now all of us are at home only. We are not going to school. You are also not coming to school. All we are attending the lectures during the Zoom meeting. And I am giving you homework daily. So what you have to do? You have to do the homework daily. So you have to do little hard work each day, and this can lead to a progress. You will learn all the subjects if you practice, if you make utilize of your this time very carefully, then you can get maximum time for practicing. So if you work little harder during these days, or you have to work hard each day, that will lead to progress in your life. Now who will read about this? Who will read next? Today is
Janmashtami.
Yes, next. Right.
Write few sentences on Janmashtami.
Okay, can you tell me few sentences on the Janmashtami? Just now we discussed how we will start, what you will write about the Janmashtami. Tell me, Janmashtami is a festival of which religion?
Hindu.
Hindu. Yes, very good. Okay, we celebrate this festival as the birth of, it is the birth of? Yes, it is the birth of Lord Krishna. Okay, then what else? The next day of Janmashtami, what do you do? Know how we celebrate the next day of the Janmashtami? Yes, Dahi Handi. We celebrate as the Dahi Handi. Very good. Okay. Then what else about Janmashtami? Share. Sent you the video also. Can you tell me a few more words about Janmashtami? Yes, students. Lakshmi. Yes.
Festival.
Who will try? Say few words about the Janmashtami. Yes, you have to study, work hard. Whatever the videos I am sending now, you have to see that videos. Okay, so I will not discuss more. You will go through. You will try to write few words or few sentences on Janmashtami, and we will discuss in our next lesson. Okay, next period we will discuss in our next period. Now about the other topics, about today's learning topics. Okay, first period is maths today. So in maths we have to study about what is the today's topic in maths? What is today's topic in maths? Yes. Read this topic.
Division of fraction.
Division of fractions. And we have to first I will show you this video. You listen carefully, and then I will explain you with the help of the whiteboard. Half of the apple we have to divide between two persons. Half of the apple we have to divide between two people. So how much each one of you will get? Half divided by half. Half divided by 2.
Yes.
Are you able to listen, students? Are you able to listen, students?
Yes.
Of half apple.
Each
Now
of you
this
get
half
half of
can
half
be
apple.
replaced by multiplication.
So of
So
means
half
multiplication.
into half.
Into half.
Now I know when I have to multiply fractions, I need to multiply the numerators and the denominators.
Numerator with
1
the
into
numerator
1
and
gives
the
me 1,
denominator with the denominator.
and 2 into 2 gives me 4. So I have 1 by 4. So each of them would get 1/4 and 1/4 apple. So she would get 1/4 apple, and even she would get 1/4 apple. And this 1/4 is also what is half divided by 2, because half apple was divided between the two friends. So half apple divided by 2 gives me 1/4, because each of them now gets 1/4 of the apple. So half divided by 2 is 1/4.
So division is the inverse of the multiplication.
We know that division is the inverse of multiplication. So now in the case of fractions, when I have to multiply two fractions, I multiply the two numerators and the two denominators. But what if I want to divide? So this is a fraction divided by a
divide the
natural
fraction,
number. How can I
We have to
divide
take
it?
the reciprocal
So
of
I
the
have half
divisor.
divided by 2. Now this 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So I can write this 2 in terms of fractions as 2 by 1. So this is half divided by 2 by 1.
Now both are
Now
fractions.
I
So
know
we
that
will first
division
take
is the
reciprocal.
inverse of multiplication.
Means the inverse.
So what I can do is, this half remains the same. So the first half remains the same. I change this division
sign
into multiplication,
sign. So we
and
take the
I
inverse
write
of
the
second number.
inverse of this.
We have
So
to
what
take
is the inverse of this? The
So inverse
inverse
is
of this fraction is
numerator will
1
become
by 2.
denominator, and
That is the denominator
will become numerator.
becomes the numerator, and the numerator becomes the denominator. So I have half into half. So what exactly am I doing here? When I need to divide a fraction by another fraction, I write the first fraction as it is. So remember, there is no change in the first fraction. I write it the way
First
it is.
fraction will remain the
I
same.
change the division sign
And
to
the second
multiplication
step is
sign,
you have to
and
change the
I
division
write
sign
the
into
inverse of this.
multiplication sign.
That is,
And third
the
step, we have
numerator
to take
becomes
the
the
reciprocal
denominator,
of the second
and the
number.
denominator becomes the numerator. This is half into half. Both these have to be changed at the same time, in the same step. So as soon as you change division to multiplication, you need to change this as well. Now half into half is 1 into 1 by 2 into 2. Have a common factor 3. So we have a 3 here and a 3 here. Now these two
Now
threes
who
have
will
a
tell
common
me
factor.
what you will do this in this 2 of 3 divided by 3 upon 5. Yes, Dilip? first number will remain as it is, 2 upon 3. Then division sign, we will convert it into which sign? Yes, division we will convert into which sign? Division gets converted into which sign?
Multiply.
Yes, multiply. We will convert this division into multiplication. But when we are converting this division into multiplication, that time we have to take the reciprocal of this number, 3 upon 5. So what is the reciprocal? Reciprocal means inversion. So denominator will become the numerator and the numerator will become denominator. Siddha has raised the hand. Still answer. What is the this reciprocal of 3 upon 5? What is reciprocal of 3 upon 5? 5 upon 3.
क्या होता है रे?
5 upon 3. Okay, see this. See, division
भाई वन में नहीं चालू
converted to
है.
the multiplication. But I have not. You can 2 5s are 10. 10 upon 9. Now the next sum. 8 upon 9 divide by 10 upon 21.
सुंदरम बहुत नाटक कर रहा है.
Excuse me, please, Sundaram. 2 upon 9. 8 upon 9 divide by 10 upon 21. So first step is we will convert this division into the multiplication. And the second step is 10 upon 21. We will take the inverse of this number. So 21 upon 10. And then we will simplify this. I will explain you with the help of the whiteboard now. Now first see this example and then I will explain you with the help of the
Two
whiteboard.
apples among your friends. You want that each of your friends get half of the apple. So among how many friends can you distribute these 2 apples?
If you
4 friends. So if you make half of 2 apples, you get 4 halves.
I can
And
see
you
how
can
who is doing
distribute
this
it
scratch.
among 4 friends of yours.
Hello.
This can also be shown mathematically too.
2 apples
I can write this as 2 by 1 divided by
half parts.
Need a professional website? I created one for our startup using
Okay,
Wix.
students,
Let me
now
show you
I
how I
will
did
explain
it.
you.
First, go to Wix.com.
I will explain you with the help of the whiteboard.
We use Wix.
See students, here we have to today we are discussing about the division of the fraction. Now first number, suppose 1 upon 2 and we have to divide with 2 upon 3. Then what we have to do? You have to remember 3 steps. First step is the first number will remain as it is. First number, there is no change. Then second step. In the second step, this division sign we will convert it into the multiplication sign. And the third step is we will take the reciprocal of this number. Now what is the reciprocal?
6 upon 3.
Means numerator will become the denominator and this denominator will become the numerator. So now numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. Yes, 3 upon
2.
yes, 3 upon 4. Very good, students. Now second sum. Okay, all of you have to answer me, huh? 1 upon 7 divide by 7 upon 9. Okay, what will be the answer? What I will write?
1 upon 7, 9 upon 7.
Yes, 9
9
upon
upon
7.
7.
So what is the answer?
9 upon 49.
7.
Yes, 9 upon 49. 7 sevens are 49. Okay, very good. Now third sum. 5 upon 15 divide by 10 upon 30. Okay, what will be the first step? What will be
Multiply by 13 upon 10.
Yes, very good. 5 upon 15 multiplied by 30 upon 10. Now
13
we
upon
can Yes,
10.
30 upon 10. Now we can simplify.
150.
Yes, very good, Rehan. But if simplification is possible, then we can simplify this. See, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. We are dividing both the number with 5. And here also we can divide. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. And again 2 and 2 also we can divide. So answer will come as 1. Answer will come as 1. Now one more sum we will play, and then we will solve one quiz. 5 upon 6 divide by 7 upon 9. Okay, who will? Yes, Disha. 5 upon 6 divide by 7. Yes, Adarsh. Very good. Into 9 upon 7. Now see, the simplification is possible. Here the 9 and 6 both come. We can divide with the 3. So we are dividing both this number with the 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Now what will be the answer? What will be the answer?
45 upon
No, see this now.
25 upon
15 upon
Yes, 15
15
upon.
upon 14.
Yes, 15 upon
15
14.
upon 2.
15 up, see this, 2 7 is also here. So 5 3s are 15 and 2 7s are 14. Okay, now we will discuss. Now we will discuss with the help of the game. You will like this game. We will do that. I can see Raj Nandini. The scratch is done by you, Raj Nandini. I can see on the screen. I can clearly see on the screen who is making this. Okay, Raj Nandini, so behave properly.
Yes, Rajnandani.
Okay, now we will play one game. Yes, we will start first with the reciprocal of the fraction. You know what is reciprocal? Numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. See this, they have explained with this. Now see this. 1 upon 4, we have to find the reciprocal.
4 upon 1.
Yes, like this we have to do the reciprocal.
I don't know, please.
Okay, wait a second. Okay, now we will continue with this. See, 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 6. We already discussed this. So we have to take the reciprocal. So reciprocal is 6 upon 1.
Yes.
You want to see with this? See how they have shown. 2 divide by 1 upon 6.
Example,
First division will become the multiplication. And this we have to take the reciprocal.
Yes.
So 6 ones are 6 upon 2. Now we have to simplify this. So we are dividing both the numbers with 2. So 2 3s are 6. Okay, now we have to answer the questions. We will start the question answers. Ready, students? Okay. Now one of you read the question. What is what?
What is 1 upon 12 divide 1 upon 4 question?
1 upon 12 divide by 1 upon 4. 1 upon 12 divide by 1 upon 4. So what is the first step? Now what I will do? Okay, what I have to do? Yes, 1 upon 1 upon 12. Then
1 upon 12.
1 upon 12 I have written. Now the multiplication division
Is division.
Yes, division I
1
Yes.
upon 12.
Multiplied by 12.
yes.
Nice.
See this 1 upon
4
12.
multiplied by 1 is equal 421.
No. See this 1 upon 12.
1 upon 12.
1 upon 12 divide by 1 upon 4. First step is 1 upon 12 will remain as it is. Second step, division we convert it into multiplication. And this we have to take the reciprocal. So 4 upon 1. Now we have to simplify this. We can simplify this by dividing these numbers. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. So answer is 1 upon 3. Yes, very good. Understood? Okay, now we will reply that maths quiz. Okay.
1 upon 3.
Answer is 1 upon 3. See, well done. We have given the correct answer. Now the next question. Okay, who will read this question?
Miss,
What is 7
Yes, read.
upon 12 divided by 2 upon 3?
what?
You remember this numbers.
7 divided by 2.
7 upon 12. 7 upon 12.
7 upon 12 divided by 2. 2
upon 3.
2 upon 3.
Okay, now I'm solving this. 7 upon 12.
7 upon 8.
12. 7 upon 12 divide by 1
7 upon 12
है ना?
divided.
So 7 upon 12. This division we will make it as multiplication. And what will I will write?
3 upon 1.
Yes, very good. Now we can do again simplification. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So answer is 7 upon 4.
7 upon 4.
Yes, very good. 7 upon 4. The answer is 7 upon. No, but we have written the wrong question. Our question was wrong. 7 upon 12 divided by 2 upon 3. 7 upon
7 upon
12.
8. 7 upon 8.
7 upon 12. 7 upon 12 divided by 2 upon 3. So 7 upon 12.
7 upon 12 multiply by 3 upon 2.
Yes. So 7 threes are 21 upon 12 twos are 20.
7 3 is 21. 7 21. 12 2 is 40 24.
21 upon 24. 21 upon 24. Your answer is
Answer is correct. B.
21 upon 24.
D.
B.
See this our answer. Well done. Yes. 7 upon 12 into 3 upon 2. So 21 upon 24. And we can divide this. We can simplify this. So answer is 7 upon 8. Very good, Rehan. Now next question.
What is 6 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 14?
Okay, all of you try in your notebook and tell me the answer. You can try in your notebook and tell me the answer. Who gives me the quick answer? 6 upon 7 divided by 6 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 14. Tell me the answer. Anyone ready with the answer? Yes, Rehan is ready. Tell me the Rehan answer.
4 upon 1.
Okay, let's see. Okay, I will 6 upon 7 divide by 3 upon 14. First, I will make is equal to sign 6 upon 7. Now, this division into multiplication.
Yes, miss. 1 upon 4.
14 upon 3. Now, this we can simplify. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 3 ones are 3, and 3 twos are 6. So, answer is 4. What was your answer, Rehan? Rehan, what was your answer?
4 upon 1.
We can write 4 upon 1 as 4 only. Okay. Now we will check our answer. 4 upon 1 we can write as 4 only. Yes, answer is correct. Answer is correct. Now next question. All of you copy the question and solve in your notebook. Copy the question and solve in your notebook and give me the answer.
Two upon
Anyone ready
9.
with the, huh?
2 upon 9.
2 upon 50 divided
Okay, let's see. 2 upon 9. Yes, answer is correct. Very good. Now I will explain the other students. Question was, tell me the question. 2 upon
2 upon 15 divided 3 upon 5.
Okay, very good. What is it? Very good. So 2 upon 15 will remain as it is. Second step, we have to divide this sign, we have to convert it into
Multiply.
multiplication. And this we have to take inverse. The reciprocal, 5 upon 3.
3 upon
5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So answer is 2 upon 9. Very good. Now I want the answers from all the students, okay? Be fast, be little quick. I want the answer from all the students. Next question, number 5. We have to finish all the questions. Okay, fast here. 3 upon 8 divided by 5 upon 12. Anyone?
36 upon 40.
Okay, 36 upon
40.
you can simplify that because both are we can divide with the 4. Divide with 4.
Yes.
So what is the answer?
Nine by 10.
Very good, very good. Now let's check. Yes, you are right. Okay. For other students, I will explain you. Other students also, I want the answer. The question is 3 upon 8 divided by
9 by 10.
5. No, 5 upon 12. No? Yes, no, Rehan? This was
Yes.
the question.
3
Okay. Yes, Dilip, 3 upon 8. Then? Yes, Dilip.
Multiply by 5.
12 upon 5. See, now here we can simplify. Both these numbers we can divide by 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. So answer is 3 3s are 9 and 5 2s are 10. 9 upon 10. Now next question. Before this meeting ends, we will complete all the questions. 10 questions.
Okay, miss.
Okay, now question number 6. Yes, in your notebook, I want answer from other students also. Everyone ready with the answer? Any students ready with the answer?
49.
49 upon 100.
Yes, very good. This time Lakshmi was quick. Very good. Yes, Rehan, Lakshmi, well done. Well done. Very good. Students, you want me to explain this?
No.
Other students? 7. Okay, first I will clear this. Those who have 7 upon 20 divide by 5 upon 7. So 7 upon 20 multiplied by 7 upon 5. We took the reciprocal. So 7 sevens are 49 upon 25 is 100. Like this you will get the answer. Now next. Question number 7. Be quick. Yes, anyone else? Be quick. It is very easy.
27.
6 upon 5. 6 upon 5.
Yes, 6 upon 5. So 6 upon 5.
5 upon 6.
Turn it into the
1 and 1 upon 5.
Yes,
1
very
and
good.
1 upon
1
5.
and 1 upon 5. Yes, well done. All of you see this. For other students, you can check from here also. 3 upon 4. This divide we are converting into the multiplication, and this will become the reciprocal 8 upon 5. So 24 upon 20, and when we simplify by dividing both the numbers with 4, we got the answer 6 upon 5. Okay, the question was 3 upon 4 divided by 5 upon 8. Yes or no?
8.
So 3
Yes.
upon, okay, 3 upon 4 multiplied by 8 upon 5. We can simplify here also. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So answer is 3 twos are 6 upon 5. Now this is the improper fraction. So we will convert into the mixed fraction. 5 ones are 5 and 1 remainder. So answer is 1 upon 5. Students, you are doing very good, very good. And now I will share the link for other practice work also that you can do. I had given the division sums also. Next question. Okay, question number 8. Question number 8. Yes, write the question. Are you able to see, students?
Yes.
Very good. Anyone?
2/15. Answer.
A, B, C.
12 upon 15.
12 upon 15, miss.
But it is not
12
that
upon
12.
15.
No, it is
12
not here.
upon 15.
Check your answer. Which A, B, C, D, which option? Which option? Okay, I will show you. I will show you. Tell me the question, please. Tell me the question, please. 8 upon 9.
8 upon 9.
Divide by
5 upon
5
12.
upon 12.
Divide by 5 upon 12.
Okay, so 8 upon 9 multiplied by 12 upon 5.
9
Now
multiplied by 12 upon 5.
Yes, Swapni, very good. Now I can simplify with 3 by dividing with 3. So 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So answer is
12 upon 5.
8 fours are 32.
12 upon
Hello.
15.
Hello, miss.
12
12 upon 5.
See, I've written
12
3
upon 5 multiplied by 4. 3. 32.
Now we can
5.
15 to the
15.
30 and 2 remains. So answer we will get as
जब दोनों जन को बैठी तब नहीं
2
देने
upon 15. Understood, students? 8 upon 9. So answer is 2 and 2 upon 15. We will check our answer. Yes, see, this is the answer. Okay. Now next question. Next question. This is the 9th question. Chalo, fast. Yes, anyone? Now it is less than 1 minute. Students, you copy this question. All of you, please fast copy this
24
question.
upon 4.
Yes, 20. This you can convert it into the mixed fraction and tell me the answer. Very good. Convert it into the mixed fraction and tell me the answer. Yes, you can tell Adarsh.
Yes.
Yes, very good. So 6 and 3 upon 4. 6 and 3 upon 4. Now next question. All of you